What's up, guys? In today's video I have Lenovo's Tab E10. This is a 10-inch tablet and we are going to unbox it. The first thing you'll be presented is with the tablet itself, and then we have the user manual, adapter, a micro USB charging cable. It definitely doesn't feel as cheap as I thought it would. Feels like a solid product. The back side, it's kind of a soft touch finish. It feels nice, and we have a camera right on the top. And then there's also a front-facing camera on the top side of the front screen. And we got dual speakers. On the right side, there's a 3.5mm headphone jack. The left side, we have the charging port, the volume buttons, the power button, and a really nice Lenovo branding. There we go. The setup process was a little sluggish because inside this bad boy, it's rocking Qualcomm Snapdragon 210 for CPU. Sluggishness. I mean, it doesn't really feel slow. Let's actually open up the YouTube page. It's gonna open up the app, which is pre-installed. And now we're gonna try to watch a video. So you can see, you can definitely browse the internet to watch videos. It's not terrible. Multitasking on it. YouTube still has it. The 2GB RAM is helping for sure. And then go back to BBC. There's just a little bit of lag. I will test out some games on this, just so you guys know what it's like. And then here. It's not bad. You know, for just casual viewing, it's not bad at all. So right here, where the Lenovo emblem is, there's a micro SD card slot. I'm gonna play some games. Let's talk about the speakers. They definitely are some really cheap speakers. All right, I'm gonna show you guys some gameplay. This game is, what is the name of it? Let me see. The name of this game is called Sniper Fury. I think this is a pretty graphic intense game, and we'll see how this game goes. So the speakers on this, they do work. They're not loud. As you can probably tell, this is full volume. And what I've noticed is when I play music at 100% volume, the speaker distorts and it really gets annoying. So I have to play around like 70% volume to get the loudest sound with no distortion. This tablet has a resolution of 1280 by 800. So it's definitely not full HD. It's not gonna look crystal clear, but it does get the job done for casual usage. Let me put my age. This, check. If you look very closely, you can make out the pixels on this. If you come from an iPad or iPhones or like the higher end, you know, products, electronic products, you are definitely going to notice a difference. You can still read, you can still see, and if this game plays smoothly, then that's all that matters. Okay. Zoom in on this guy.
Tap to shoot the enemy.
Oh, I suck. Boom. Headshot. Alright. By the looks of it, this game looks playable as of now. This is actually an IPS display. I thought it was a TFT display. Okay, start. And let's get it.
Easy.
You can see. Doesn't look bad, but it does look pixelated because of the resolution of this display. I like how they show it in slow motion. Well, this game is playable, as you can tell, and I'm not gonna close this game in the background. And let's jump into the Dead. This is kind of like Temple Run, but like a first-person view, and you're dodging zombies. You have power-ups, guns. It's pretty cool. Since this is an IPS display, the viewing angles on this are not terrible. You can see it does not really distort as much. Actually, it doesn't even distort at all. Also, I'm looking through my phone, so if I suck, that is my excuse. I'm gonna pause it and turn up the brightness. And there we go. There it is, there's the power up. Are we gonna get it? We got it. I might just get a high score right here. If you guys play this game, let me know what your high score is. I think I'm so close to my high score right now. Alright, after I die in this game, I'm gonna jump right back into Sniper Fury, and we're gonna see if the game is still loaded up. Alright, let's jump right back into this game. Here we go, the 2 GB RAM. Let's see what it does. Reconnecting. Does it actually have it in its RAM? Doesn't look like it. I touched it. Alright, well that's that. Let's take some pictures and check out the quality of the camera. So this tablet is meant to be held like this. Since the volume button's right here, it's easy to press, and the camera's right here. And no thanks. Take a picture right here. Let's flip it over. Check out my setup. It's my cell phone. There we go. Let's see how that looks. Looks like you took it from a flip phone. The back camera definitely does look much better. Let's take another picture of the Shure MV88 microphone. It's a great microphone. I use it in my videos. This is like the main microphone I use as of now. I also have the Blue Yeti. Alright, there we are. We can even zoom in and see the grill on the mic. Can you see that? Yeah. The quality is suitable for the price you get this tablet in, so no complaints there. There we go. Playing at 100% volume. There's definitely no bass, no treble, nothing. It's a very clean sound and does not get loud. Yeah, I give the speakers, compared to an iPhone, this gets like a 3. The iPhone gets a 10. Like comparing it to an iPhone, I'm just saying, don't be upset. At least the speaker works, you know, and at least you can browse the web very smoothly. You can Skype people since there's a webcam and a back-facing camera. You can play games, and you can pretty much do anything on a, you know, that you do on a daily basis, like check your email, casual gameplays. This is a great tablet. Tablet comes under $140. I got this for $130. This tablet I've been using for about a month, and it has a 4,850 milliamp battery, which can last you up to 7 hours. It has even lasted me more sometimes. Like right now, I have not charged this for about 5 days, and it's still going strong. This actually has about 35% battery left, so yeah, it's a great tablet, guys. And this pretty much wraps up this video. Any questions, do let me know. Other than that, hit the subscribe button if you like this video so you can see more videos like this. And until next time, guys, peace.